Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off tag notification on Facebook account. Friends, you want to off your tag notification on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to turn off tag notification on Facebook account. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you don't want to use tag notification. So friends, first of all turn on your Facebook. After turn on Facebook friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So friends, you don't want to use Facebook tag notification, you want to turn off. So friends, first of all we will tap here, and you don't want to use notification. So first of all we will tap on Facebook setting and privacy setting. Then friends, setting option will show, tap on Facebook setting. After turn on Facebook setting friends, you can see this type interface on your account. So friends, we will scroll down here, and friends you can see notification option. So friends, we will tap on notification. After tap on guys notification setting friends, you can see Facebook notification setting we can use here. So friends, if you tap here tag notification setting, so friends you can see get notification when you tagged by anyone, friend to friend and only friend. So you can set here only friend, friend to friend, so you can set here. Okay, and if you click here anyone, so anyone where you receive this notification, so you can off, you can on notification, and you don't want to use, so friends you can turn off all notification. And friends, you can see these are notification for when someone tags you in a comment, post or story. Here any example, your friend tagged you in a post. So friends, now you cannot use your Facebook account tag notification. When someone will tag you, so you cannot use notification on your Facebook account. So friends, like that you don't want to use tag notification on your Facebook account. So friends, you can turn off tag notification on your Facebook account. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you even doubt, have any problem in Facebook settings? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.